Hey everyone!
Want to grow big, juicy tomatoes right from your own garden? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to transplant tomato seedlings step by step, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Stick around because by the end, you'll have healthy, thriving plants ready to produce a bountiful harvest. All right, let's get started. Step 1, timing is everything. Make sure your tomato seedlings are strong enough, usually about 4 to 6 inches tall, with at least 2 sets of true leaves. They should also be hardened off if they've been indoors, meaning gradually accustomed to outdoor conditions over a few days. Next, you'll want to prepare your planting site. Choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Loosen up the soil by plowing, digging up. Use a string to create straight furrows of about 10 centimeters deep. The furrows should be 1 meter apart. Now add organic or farmyard manure at 90 centimeter spacing inside the furrows. Use a 90 centimeter tool to ensure uniform plant spacing. Mix the organic manure with soil to give your tomatoes a nutrient boost. Now for the actual transplanting. Gently water your seedlings right before you dig them up. That way, the roots stay moist and stress-free during the move. Carefully lift each seedling by the base, trying not to disturb the roots too much. Here's a pro tip. Plant your seedling deeper than it was in the pot, up to the first set of true leaves. Tomatoes love to develop roots along buried stems, so this gives your plant a strong foundation for growth. Next, the furrows should be slightly larger than the root ball. Place the seedling in, making sure it's upright and the soil level matches where it was in the container. Gently fill in the furrows with soil, firming it around the base to eliminate air pockets. Important, don't forget to water thoroughly after planting. This helps settle the soil and encourages root growth. After watering, spray with a fungicide like copper, oxalate for blight control, and an insecticide for cutworms like clopyrifos. Spray after watering, not before watering. Now a couple of quick tips for success. Mulch around the base to keep moisture in and weeds out. And give your seedlings some shade for the first few days if it's especially hot outside. This reduces transplant shock. And lastly, keep your eye close on your plants as they grow. And that's it! With these easy steps, your tomato seedlings will be on their way to becoming fabulous, fruit-producing plants. Before I wrap up, did you find this helpful? If so, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your transplanting success stories in the comments below. I love hearing how your garden grows. Remember, patience is key and the rewards are totally worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, ready to help your garden thrive. Happy planting!